most hottest topic, which is India and China disputes. Here I provide you most important questions related to China. So let's get started. Before we start, we know about some important things. So, which Indian state share boundaries with China? This is a question. So, as we know that India shared boundaries with 7 countries. That is, there are 7 neighboring countries of India from east to west. Okay, east to west countries are Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, China, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. So out of the 7 countries, let's talking about China. Okay, so China and India are 2 neighboring countries in Asia. India share 3,488 kilometer border with China that runs along the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Next is the Indian administrative areas of Jammu and Kashmir from Aksai Chin. Look at here. From Aksai Chin are separated by a line known as actual control, which is you hear in the news. Now start an important question about China. The first question is, what is the name of the longest river in China? Answer is Yangtze River, which is mean child of the ocean. Fact about this river is, the river in China is the 3rd longest river in Asia, the 3rd longest river in the world, and the longest river to flow entirely in one country. Our second question is, what is the official name of China? The answer is People's Republic of China. Third question is, what is the name of current ambassador in China? Answer is Vikram Misri. Next question is, the 9th India-China Financial Dialogue was held in which city? The answer is New Delhi. Our 5th question is, the name of China's space agency, CNSA, which means China Space National Agency. Next question is, what is the name of military exercise between India and China? Answer is hand in hand. Next question is, first Prime Minister of India who visited to China? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, which state of India share border of length 1,126 kilometer with China? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question is, name of the border guarding force at Indo-China border? Answer is Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, that is ITBP. You don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.